Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair video, you guys. I am so in love with these cute little twists I did. I was not planning to do a video, but then I was just like, you know what, girl, I haven't done like a lot of hair content, I feel like, in the last few months. So I was just kind of like, let's go ahead and just throw up a real video on this style. So I'm loving how this came out. Really, it's the color for me. Okay, it's really the color for me. So if you guys want to see how I did this style, it's super easy. The hair I use, details, and all that kind of stuff. Definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so for today's style, we're gonna be using hair by Sensational. This is the Sensational 3X Waterwave in 18 inches. I used two colors today. This color that I'm showing you guys right now is the SM1B Burgundy, but I also use just a regular burgundy so I could give my hair a little bit of dimension. I also decided to use some hair paint wax today, and we're gonna discuss more of that later on. Today we are starting off on blow-dried hair. I took my cornrows down from that V-part wig that I reviewed for you guys. If y'all have not seen that video, definitely be sure to check it in the description box down below. I'll also try to remember to link it in the cards for you guys as well. For some reason, I forgot to show y'all the jam that I use, but I use the jam in the red jar. I think that's the one that's the extra hold. So basically, I just went ahead and sectioned off my hair and applied some of the jam to the top parting area. And then I just used my rat tail comb to try to make sure my part was as straight as possible. Let's go ahead and discuss this hair paint wax, you guys. So for this style, because the hair is red and my hair is so black, I was like, let's try out this hair paint wax and see what this gives with these twists. So it's really easy to use. You pretty much just stick your fingers in it and then just rub it all over your hair. So after I did that, I went ahead and just applied a little bit more jam, started parting my section, and then went ahead and started twisting the hair. So I left this in real time so you guys can hopefully kind of see what's going on, because we are not using any type of rubber bands or crochet braids for this style. So all I'm doing is twisting the right side of my hair towards my head, and then I twist the left side away from my head. It really doesn't matter which side you do which, as long as the hair that you twist towards your head is the side that you cross over. So you guys can see I'm continuing to twist the left side forward, and then now I'm going to cross the side that I twisted back over, and I'm just continuing to do that. Now this may look a little odd right here, but this is how you kind of have to do the back of your head until you can, you know, have twisted enough that you can bring the twist and actually, you know, twist it, you know, in the front of you. But this is basically how you do it in the back section. So see, now I'm able to move the twist to the side and then just continue twisting all the way down. Now I did off center this hair so that I could have a curly end. So you're going to see me just kind of continue to twist. I'm going to add a little bit more jam on my actual hair just to help to smooth it and help it to blend in with the twist hair. And then as you continue all the way down, you'll see in the ends, I'm going to be left with just that curly end. So you guys can kind of see where the twisting ends and then the curly hair begins. So if you off center it, this is how it's gonna look. Whenever I'm doing any type of twist or braids, this is normally how I section off my hair. I normally do like 2 rows in the back, and then I kind of go from ear to ear and separate it that way. You definitely don't have to do it like this. I just find that this is kind of like the easiest way. I kind of use quite a bit of jam just to try to smooth it out, smooth my hair out and make it easier for me to actually get a good part. You guys can probably see in a lot of these clips like 2 mirrors, and that's basically how I'm able to see the back of my head. So if you guys are able to do some type of setup like that, it's definitely going to help you to be able to get good straight parts. I believe in the back, I ended up having 5 rows, and then you guys can see here, I'm starting to part my hair down the middle, and I have 4 rows on each side. So that will be a total of 8 at the top. For these two sections right here, this is going to be, I believe, 4 twists, or I think maybe closest to my ear I did 2, and then I did 3, and then I believe I did like 4 and 4, if that gives you guys kind of an idea. So right here, I'm just continuing to apply the hair paint wax, and then you guys can see I'm going to have 2 twists here, and this is really easy. I just apply the jam, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the hair. So you can see here how it looks when it's off-centered. So once again, you just put the hair just in the middle of your hair, and then you guys can see here on this box right here, I'm actually twisting the left side back. So like I said, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure whatever side you twist back is the side you cross over. So I'm twisting the right side forward, and then you guys can see the side I twisted back is the side I crossed over, and then you just continue to twist all the way down. And this is how it looks with the curly end at the bottom. I just figured I'd show you guys just one more time. So you put the hair right in the middle, and you guys can see how I'm twisting it back on one side. I'm gonna twist it forward on the other side, and then whatever side I twist back, like I said, I'm going to cross it over. This is honestly the way I used to do my twists when I first did them. When I started seeing people do like the rubber band method with like the crochet and stuff like that, I was like, oh, you know, that's cool to try, but this is normally the way I do it, and this is nice. You don't have to worry about covering up a rubber band. Once you practice, you'll get the hang of it, and it'll be super easy. So this hair paint wax does transfer, and that's why I'm not recommending that you guys do it. I tried to use some hairspray and then blow dry my hair thinking that I would be able to kind of like seal in the color. It definitely did not work, but you can still use hairspray and then the blow dryer just to help to get rid of like any flyaways that you may have from your own hair on the twist. So you can still do this part right here. But as far as the hair paint wax, you guys, it's gonna be a no for me. I've used it like on the roots of my hair when I'm doing a like red crochet or something like that, and that works out fine. But because these twists are long, like it'll rub all over your shirt. So I would recommend you just don't do it. Just skip that part, okay? But this is the final result of the hair. It came out absolutely beautiful. I love the color. I love red hair on me, especially in the winter. Definitely let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out so your post notifications on. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know what other styles you would like to see. Subscribe to my blog channel as well, India Ajay Everyday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.